Okay, we're going to try this. I'm outside, just enjoying nature, showing you guys around. Let me be quiet and just let you hear the birds. Let you hear nature. Now, I don't know if you guys know, I'm sure somebody does, know something about roses. I've never dealt with roses. This is what my mom planted several years ago, and they're starting to come to life again. They've been here every year, but I don't know how to take care of them. I know we need to get whatever this is out of here, clean it up, but they're starting to come to life. They get beautiful red roses on them. There's one down here on the ground do I cut that back? I need a flower person tell me what I'm supposed to do to them. Then we got over here, I don't know what they're called. My husband does, but I don't. We got some flowers here that's starting to come up. We need to clean this up, I know. Well, we got some flowers coming to life here. Some flowers popping up here, coming up. This has got a ground covering also. There used to be a rose bush right there, but I think it's gone. But yeah, we need to clean this up. We got flowers peeking in there and right there. And then we got all the way down through here. You're getting these beautiful flowers. We got more flowers over there popping up. We need to clean the bedding of it. We need to do a lot of yard work. Hopefully it warms up sometime. And we got more flowers, which we need to get cleaned up. That's coming to life here. I don't know what this is, if this is another rose bush, which I think it is. There's some elephant ears or something popping up here. This is our lilac tree that's starting to come to life. Get some green on it. We got another lilac bush out there. It's just beautiful out here. Beautiful blue skies. And you can hear the birds. Just time to get out and enjoy nature. Get some fresh air. It's going to be time to cut grass again. Even though we got a lot of trees, which needs to be cut. Our pond is out there. It has been dry for a long time, but I think this recent rain we had put some water in it because our dog has come back wet because he likes to get down in it and swim. And then our pasture up, I don't know if you can see him, there's our dog right there he's been out in the pond. That little turkey. I don't know if you can see him. Can you see him? That's Lucky. That's our guard dog, along with the neighbor's guard dog and everybody else. He's out on patrol. He's been down in the pond, doing a little dip. He's out doing his thing. He's patrolling now. That's our dog, Lucky. He adopted us. Came up here as a stray and hasn't left all this time. It's been 2-3 years now. I hear the neighbors' roosters. This is what I get to wake up to every day. Well, most days. Listening to the birds. Seeing the trees, blue sky. I mean, you can't get any better. I hear the train whistle in the distance. And you just can't get any better. I just wanted to get out here in nature and just show you and let you hear it instead of cities. We want to really get into this. This is where my mom and dad live. We're renting it from them. They moved down the street or down the road, and we got a lot of cleaning up. We've done a lot of cleanup. I don't know where Lucky went. He's just out roaming. So, yeah. But if you know anything about roses or plants that's in your yard or whatever, that's our garden out there. We got to get cleaned up. But yeah, enjoy your day. Get out and listen to the birds if you can. Get some fresh air in your lungs. And just knock out the noise. Just eliminate the noise with the beauty of nature, with the sound of birds. Let me be quiet and let you hear.